Here is how to get from Nice Airport to Monte Carlo by train in less than 1 hour. I recently did this and I've had lots of people ask me how easy is it? Honestly, it's super easy and here is what you need to do. I flew into Terminal 2. If you fly into Terminal 1, once you exit the building, the journey will be the exact same. I just want to add at this point that this route is fully accessible with either street level access, lifts or escalators are all the stations that you need for this journey. So from here, you want to exit the terminal through the doors opposite the main arrivals and turn right. You will see a massive fun I love Nice sign, so that's how you know that you haven't gone wrong. From here, you want to continue walking and you will find the tram. You need to take the tram 2 stops to Grand Arenas. Please excuse my pronunciations. This tram is completely free until the stop that you need. When you get off the tram, wait for it to move and cross the road directly in front of you. What you want to do here is turn left and follow the road along until you see the station. It's called Gare de Nice Saint Augustin. Take the stairs or the lift up to the main concourse and you will see some ticket machines and a ticket office. When we went, they did have staff helping on the machines and they were very helpful and they spoke English. If you're worried about buying your ticket and not understanding the machine, I would definitely recommend trying to get one where there is a person. I recently visited on a Saturday and it was quite busy, but this queue did go down quite quickly, I'd say in around 15 minutes. We got a return ticket to Monte Carlo and it cost around €13.80. The train leaves from the same side as the ticket machine, so you don't need to go anywhere else. So just follow it round to the right-hand side and you will find the platform. A top tip here is when you board the train, make sure to try and get a seat on the right-hand side facing the direction of travel. I promise you, you will thank me later. Now it's time to relax. The train takes approximately 35 minutes and the station you need to get off at is obviously Monte Carlo. To exit the station to the harbour, you head up the escalators, over the bridge to the right, down the escalators on the other side and down the steps. There is a step-free entrance and exit that we found on the way back, and I would advise trying to find a staff member if you do need to use this on the way out. If you want to do the return journey as well, the platform you need is the opposite side to where you got off. So there you go, it's super easy. If you are heading to Monaco soon, I hope you have an amazing time. I definitely want to go back. It was absolutely stunning. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more point of view destination guides, hotel walkthroughs, top tips and more. Catch you in the next one.